The Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, funded by Skills Meghalaya, today celebrated the accomplishments of 50 trainees who completed training in organic dyeing, spinning and weaving at Eri Weave Private Limited, Ke Kudanghulu, Ribhoi District. The ceremony was attended by Damanbad Lamare, MLA of Umroi, as a chief guest and Rankansai Karbuki, MDC of Umroi, as the guest of honor. After 50 days of intensive training, 37 trainees secured employment with Eri Weave Private Limited, while 27 spinning machines were distributed under the Selco and Musoni Socio-Economic Foundation.
But kita nak semlaru. Ngan ay musim susu ni pergi ke Mumbai, dah pinanglah susu dan pergi dan pergi. Ia kini ke sentar ke jauh pergi, bangga kerman skem hulu. Begini, bomba, kilong kami lagi semla kentai kamtam. Begini, begini senai ki jalan ki berper ki berbiang ki internet, haki por ki si ki pensawan.
A joint initiative by IUC